Hi guys, today I want to work on this problem on Codewars, which is to define a function that identify the complementary DNA. So for example, like in a DNA strings, like symbol A and T are complements of each other. Also C and Gs are also complement of each other. And this function will take inputs and then it will return the complementary inputs of that DNA string. So the first thing I comes up in my mind is a kind of dictionary where A is mapped to T and C is mapped to G as a key value pair. So for example, right, this would be equal something like A T and C is mapped to G. Yep, C mapped to G. And this function, so the dictionary would be something we use to look up in the function. So so the DNA is a string. So what we do is we loop through H for I in DNA. So for each letter in DNA, for example, if DNA is something like this, right? So for I in DNA, so if I equals 0, it would be like A. So we would so if I equal, oh actually we will have to loop through the dictionary and check if I equal to either one of the complementary DNA, and we will take the other DNA. So I'll show you what I mean. So for I in DNA, so this is the main loop that loop through the DNA, and then we will have a second loop for key value in my dict.items. So item is the dictionary method that we use to unpack the dictionary. So if diction Python, we will see, okay, so looping technique, right? When looping through dictionary, the key and corresponding value can be retrieved at the same time using items. So this is how we unpack, or like we request the key value from a dictionary. So in this loop we will check if I equal key I equal key, wait, we will need an empty string, my string. So this is the result that our function will return. And if I equal key, we will just my string, we will just append the value to the string, right? Yeah, equal plus value. No, not, what the hell? This Yep, here we go. L if I equal value, and we will do my string key. So yeah, just take if I is equal key, then we'll take the value. If I equals the value, we'll take the key to the string, and then we'll return my string as the function. Okay, and now let's test with the DNA. Here you go. So this is our function. Let's take a look. So A return T, T return A, C return G, and G return C, and C return G. Let's test this on Codewars, shall we? Test. Perfect. Awesome. So we passed 47 tests. Perfect. This is good.